Kenya's Transcentury is seeking to sell its stake in Tanzanian tea packager Chai Bora in order to focus on its infrastructure and engineering business. The transaction, whose value is not being disclosed, is expected to be completed in January next year. For more on this, we chat to Emma Mareri, who's investment analyst at African Alliance, on the line from Nairobi. Emma, thanks so much for joining us today. Let's go through the rationale that Transcenturys outlined for this move. Is it simply a refocusing of energy towards infrastructure investments, or is it more to do with the fact that we've had Chai Bora not performing too well over the recent past?
Well, sorry, could you come again?
Emma, let's go through the rationale for Transcentury divesting from Chai Bora and focusing on infrastructure at this stage of the game as part of its strategy.
Well, the rationale will be informed by its focus on infrastructure going forward. Chai Bora is in the consumer category, and I think it's not part of the core business. So this decision will be informed by just trying to focus on where the strength lies. That's in power, transport, and engineering. Looking at the 1H12 revenues, we see that power and engineering contributed 93% to overall revenues. So just trying to focus on power and engineering going forward.
Of course, we've got this company focusing just as much on its exposure towards the mining sector. So how does that all tie in to its strategy from here on out?
We've seen a lot of opportunities opening up in that sector. There's the oil discovery in Kenya, and the investment, particularly in silicon, places them very well to reap from investment in infrastructure. So I believe that this move to reduce their stake in Chai Bora and to focus on infrastructure is very good for them going forward. And there are a lot of opportunities coming up in Kenya in this particular line.